In period and closing in SAP S/4HANA Finance, there are some transactions which have either been deleted or replaced. For example, I have got SAP ECC on my right hand side and S/4HANA on my left hand side. So I am under accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, and periodic processing node. And the same node I am in SAP S/4HANA Finance. So first, if we go to closing folder, under closing, there is a subfolder called Velvet. So we use new transaction code FAGL underscore FC underscore VAL for foreign currency valuation. Now this transaction code has been replaced in SAP S/4HANA Finance with FAGL underscore FCV. Next, under reclassify folder, there were activities related to profit and loss adjustment and balance sheet adjustment. Now, these two adjustments are no longer available in SAP S/4HANA Finance because we don't need it now. As you can see in SAP S/4HANA Finance, under reclassify folder, we don't have these two options, profit and loss adjustment and balance sheet adjustment. The only transaction which remains in SAP S/4HANA Finance is F.19. That is related to GRIR clearing. Similarly, there are some transactions which have been removed. That includes the closing cockpit activity to roll up values, which you can see on SAP ECC. And this is no longer available in SAP S/4HANA Finance, which you can see on the screen.